Well, good morning, guys. We've got about a 3,000 foot water line to put in. Most of this is all going to be private. There is a little water main extension across the road to do. But I'm here getting started on it. We don't have pipe or anything else here yet. I'm just going to dig down through here and see how I get along. This is an old rock quarry, so wouldn't be surprised if we find some rock. But we're starting back here. We've got a bore crew coming Monday to shoot under this road for us and try to get them to go under the road, the gate and all, so we don't have to mess with any of that. Then pretty well there's 2,500 feet of this line from here down this drive to where you see the T, and I got to go up over a pond dam and over to a big fancy horse barn. It'll set you guys up and see how we get along here. Well, there's the rock already. Well, guys, at the end of day one, we got probably 350 feet of the ditch digging done. It's Friday evening. I'm gonna go home, get something to eat, and kick back and work on a pond dam tomorrow. We'll be back here Monday. If you guys like my stuff, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. See you next time.